I'm sure you had good bad. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Welcome back to Revenue. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or if you're living on a low income budget and want to learn how to save money and save money for your future, then this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. So we're just going to jump right into the video. I'm back with another randomizer roll and save. And of course, I'm working with a $10 budget. So let's count the money and make sure it is accurate. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for those of you who are new to the channel, I'm saving for my birthday, which is for next year. However, I do like to save money for the future, and I am living on a low income budget. So what I'm going to do is take the dice, roll it, and let it tell me which envelope I will stuff $1 into based on the number on the die. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So we have envelope number 6, and this is for shopping. Whatever I want to buy for my birthday. I do live a more minimalistic capsule wardrobe type of lifestyle when it comes to my clothing. So I may or may not buy as much clothes, but you know, pretty much shopping is self-explanatory. It's for whatever I want to buy for my birthday. Next, we are going to cash stuff. That actually fell on the ground, so I'm going to roll it again. Let's see what's up, right? Okay, that is envelope number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is self-care number 5. I'm going to shake that one again. So envelope number 6, again, shopping. Envelope number 4. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, and we're at perfume, which I plan on buying a bunch of designer perfume. Envelope number 5, self-care again. Envelope number 5, self-care again. Envelope number 1, which is my birthday envelope, where I plan on just deciding if I want to utilize this money for an actual destination, like flying somewhere out of state, or if I just want to do something local. Envelope number 6, which I believe is shopping. Okay. Envelope number 4, so 6. Let me see if I can get it. 5 and 4, which is perfume. Okay. Envelope number 1, which is birthday. Alrighty, so now what we're going to do, we're going to see how much money we were able to cash stuff, and then I'm going to count and see how much money we have in the envelopes, and then I'll also leave on the screen how much money we have in the binder overall. So for birthday, we were able to cash stuff $2, and we have a total of 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $67. So for hair, we didn't cash stuff anything, but we're still going to count it. So we have 20, 40, 61, $62. For nails, we weren't able to cash stuff anything in this one either. So we have 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. For perfume, we were able to cash stuff $2. And now we have, let's see, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. For self-care, we were able to stuff $3. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Eventually, I will go and do a cash condensing for this as well, most likely next week. For shopping, we have $3 that we were able to cash stuff. And now we have 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, $56. I am super excited about this, y'all, because now we in the big leagues. You're about to start seeing some 50s and some 100s, and I cannot wait. Alrighty, so please drop down in the comments down below. Let me know, how you guys are doing and what you guys are doing to save up for next year, or just save up in general. Like, what method are you using? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.